ready to transform raw data into something truly delicious. Let's learn how to whip up a pie chart in Tableau. First things first, open Tableau and connect to your data source. For this example, we'll be using a simple dataset with some categorical data. Think sales by region or product category. On the left side you can see your tables represented by things called dimensions and measures. Dimensions are typically descriptive categories. Measures are numerical data representing those categories. Now, grab a dimension from your dimensions pane like region or category and drag it over to the center of your view, the columns or rows area. When you release and have the single dimension selected, a table view will be made. Your data will likely appear as a table initially. To create a pie chart, look for the Show Me panel on the right side. Click the pie chart icon. If a pie chart icon is grayed out, then it is not enabled. It's starting to look like a pie, but we need to add some substance. Now, drag a measure from your measures pane and drop it in the angle section in your marks card, below the main panels. The size of each slice will now correspond to the value of the measure for each category. To really make things pop, take that same category or dimension and drag it to the color section of the marks card. This allows each slice to represent a distinct color. And finally, to make sure your audience understands the data, drag that same measure into the label section. You can also click on the label section to adjust labels. There you will see a variety of options such as changing fonts, colors, and data visibility. Voila! You've created a beautiful and informative pie chart. You've now learned how to show proportions of different categories within the set.